exam problem 3. On this, we're going to figure out commission. This is more complicated, so this will take you a while. And therefore, if you have this problem, I don't know what I'm going to do. I may have something else, but it will be different numbers and different, but the instructions are above at the top. So if the sales are over 200,000, then your commission will be equal sales times the various percentages right here. If it's under 200,000, you get dinged 2%. So the idea is to try to spur people on to making greater sales. So we have to use anchors. We put the equation once. So let me scan up here and go to if. And so the logical test is if sales, click on sales, are greater than 200,000. If it's true, then you get simply the sales times the various percentages, but we're just doing a 6% here. We'll anchor it all at the end. If it's false, then you get the sales times, and I'm going to put in parentheses, 6% minus 2%. Now, everywhere I have this B, the sales column, I want that to stay the same when I fill right. So everywhere I have a B, I'm going to put $1 in front of it, an anchor. I'm having trouble here. So with Jing, I already told you the cursor is flashing like crazy. You can't see it, thank goodness. I'm even wondering if you can hear some of my videos. I don't think the speakers have been on until now. Then over here, anywhere you have this row, we want this row to stay the same when you fill down. And so we want to put the dollar before the row name. So that would be $5. I know it's working now. The speakers are working now. The microphone, rather. Right, so then you hit OK. And maybe I'll format that into dollar signs. Let me see how I can do this here. Let me change that to a number. I'm just going to do it currency. I was going to change the decimal places to 0. Okay, and then currency with 0 decimal places. All right, and I'm going to fill down. We'll do the average all at the end and fill right. Then over here, I have salary, this one right here. So that would be equal salary right here plus 6% commission plus this. Now I want the salary to stay the same, so I'm going to have to put this column, put a $sign before the C. The other ones I want to change. The D's, this, I want this to change when I fill right. So hit OK. And then you can fill right. And then you can fill down. Now I want all these to be averaged, so I'm going to put do the averages all at once. Just go next to the sum and go to the average. And again, hit the format painter so it all matches somewhat. And you might want to make this a different color. And same thing here, because that's really a total. Whereas, even though it's average, it's still a form of a total. Okay. Whatever. Okay. All right, now I asked for a couple graphs. And the first graph is salespeople and awesome commission. Change the patterns in 2 sets of bars. Label X and Y axis and change the names to diagonal and add title. You can do that yourself. Then you can do the third part is graph the salespeople and the salary plus 9%. And so that would be the salespeople. That's non-adjacent rows. You highlight this. You can put average in it if you want to. And then hit Control and this right here. And graph that.